This is Dr. Babehale from Botswana here. I'd like to invite you as that you be part of our 8th African Palliative Care and Allied Services Conference that will be held in Botswana in September 2025. We're looking forward to having you in Botswana. This goes out to reach out to all the allied health professionals out there, including social workers, psychologists, dietitians, pharmacists. You are very much welcome to be part of this exciting conference that will be held in Botswana for the very first time under the theme of 20 years of palliative care and comprehensive chronic care for sustainable development in Africa. We are looking forward to having you, all the different healthcare professionals across the globe. You will not regret being part of this exciting journey in Africa, continuing to push for palliative care for Africa. This conference will bring about palliative care providers across the world. This is an opportunity for networking. This is a scientific conference that will have panelists from different areas across the globe that will be sharing experience in different areas of palliative care through issues of advocacy, ethics, and also palliative care integration in different places across the world. We're looking forward to having the allied health professionals as they play a key role in palliative care. We're looking forward to having them network and see the work that they have done across Africa and across the world. So really looking forward to having you. I'm appealing to stakeholders and sponsors to be exhibitors even to the conference or sponsor the conference for any of the packages that are listed below. As an association and as a country, we believe after this major conference that Botswana's palliative care is going to move to another level, a higher level that is needed, especially with the rising burden of non-communicable diseases in our country. We're looking forward to being able to host even caregivers conference to support these patients and their loved ones that are burdened every day to taking care of their loved ones because of this increasing issues of NCDs. I'm really looking and appealing to everyone, be part of this great move and support our people for Botswana. I thank you.